You can cook them longer if you need to, but I'm ready to transfer. Okay, now you're going to take that chicken broth, just use it to rinse off. Nicely rinse off everything. Okay. If you want, you can add a little bit of peppers. There's a little bit of Swiss chard in there. That's good. Now you can turn, after you put the tomatoes, you can turn the heat a little bit higher. For some people, they can put more tomatoes and then they're done. You get a tomato stew. But if you like coconut milk, this is when you add coconut milk. I got a can of coconut milk. Yeah. Put a little bit of water after rinsing the coconut milk can. I put that water in here. Try to rinse everything off to keep your flavors if you want to. Now you took everything from the other pan and it's in this pan. Another thing that I like to cook with is potatoes. You can put potatoes if you want. These are peppers. These are not potatoes. But voila, chicken stew. Make sure you put salt to your liking. Cook it for like a few minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes, depending how you like your coconut milk cooked. And then it's done. Remember to add salt.